anything you say, I'ma use it against you. You got a right to remain silent, silent. We can move this party to my bed if you want to. Girl, you ain't gotta say nothing. I could tell you want it by the look in your eyes. Girl, you ain't gotta say nothing. Just lay back, 'cause tonight I'ma do you right.